might be the one time I'm speechless.
Welcome to half.ass garage and welcome. Back down 1.8 turbo 944. Let's get into it.
All right, good morning. I'm going to continue buffing. I've recorded, but one, you probably don't care about seeing the time lapse of me buffing more, and two, I forgot to charge the camera, the phone camera, whatever. So I'm going to go to Bufftown and get buff. So see you in a little bit. Give me an update.
This looks look at that. Would you just look at it? Like, buff's damn good. Look at, you can see my face. Granted it's red, but you can see, look at, you can see. What the reflection, bro. Wow. Alright. So, definitely a lot better. I just wiped off all the compound and shit, and I have to glaze it and then ceramic coat it. Glaze it, prep it for ceramic coat, then ceramic coat it. And the ceramic coat will just be silly on this thing. It'll hide everything else. Like there's still a couple micro swirls that the polish will still get out. I still have to do the polish foam there, and then the step 38 polish. And yeah, wow, that looks good, man. I wish the thing wasn't in the way so I could bring it in the sun, but we'll do that tomorrow. Whew, what a thing. All right, now I gotta go to work. I'll go to work and then come back out here later.
All right, now we're gonna do some cool stuff. Car's buffed, still needs to be polished. Actually, you know what? I'll polish it real quick. I don't need a lot of light to polish it. I just need to cover the car. So I'll polish it, and then I'll start putting the vents and stuff in. That's what I want to do, is put these vents in. I gotta do hood pins, the vents are in, and then the lights should be in. The light bulbs for the corner lights should be in soon. They have another 2 hours to deliver. And we'll be able to put this the rest of the way together, I think. Door handles can then go in. Yeah, yeah. Alright, so I've done everything. I wrapped the car up. I was recording me buffing it, and then after that I just kept going, and I don't think I pressed record. So I put the door handles in, because that was tedious work. Riveted in the vents and the hood pins, and made sure everything is copacetic. And vacuumed the car, at least, so far. I do have to wipe the I do have to wipe the interior down, but I've already vacuumed it, so it's all right. I've done the outside of the windows. I still got to touch the things up and actually detail it when we get there. Done, but she's done for now. When we get the glow farts, there is going to be some more stuff I am doing to it, some silly stuff. So we'll do that when we get there. But I need to put gas in her and take it for a beat run. Oh, I got to fix the parking brake. So I'm going to fix the parking brake today and figure out. It feels like the cable itself is just stuck, so I have to let it slide. It just feels like it's engaged because both tires are locked, so it's not just one caliper, so it's the whole e-brake system. So I'll figure that out, and I'll clean the front wheels because I did the back ones already, and maybe wipe down the interior. I'll probably wait till I get the glow farts for that, and on to the next thing. The next video series, it's a great question. I know what it's going to be. It's going to be building 20 by 20, getting that thing out of here, putting the old school half-ass garage, 20 by 20, the OG. But my shoulder's going to fall out. So remember to comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much, and I hope you like it.